Welcome to Flow-Based Code. Let's see the different tabs what we have under the planning. So here you can see we have tabs like important dates, content bank, notes and bookmark. I'll show you how to use these tabs. So first, let me just try to go for the important dates over here. So first you can see we have the instructions on how to use this one. So here you can see we have the complete calendar view. So you can see the complete calendar view over here. And then on the right hand side, you can see some of the important dates. So what are going to be your important dates or public holidays? You can just try to completely list those down over here, and then automatically it will be listed on the calendar view as well. So if you go to previous month, you can see like this. So like this, you can just try to go and completely see for your whole total year. You can just try to go and maintain what are going to be your important dates. Then you'll be able to completely maintain it from here. So if you want to go and add an important date, you can just try to go click this new button and then add a new important date, and automatically it will be added to your calendar. So this is about the important dates. Now let's try to go back. The next tab is that we have the content bank. So I'll just try to go to the content bank. So here you can see we have the instructions on how to use the content bank. Then we have the content ideas. So you can see the content ideas weekly. What are all the content ideas there? You'll be able to see it. So for the current week, there's no. So that's why we're not getting any over here. So below this one, we have the progress. So the complete progress you'll be able to track from here. So how many content are in idea stage, on hold, brainstorming stage. So you'll be able to completely see it from here. So then we have the content categories. So you can see different categories we have, like behind the scenes, community, educational, then entertainment. So these are some of the different categories we have, and it also shows you like what are all the complete like the content for this particular category. So that also you'll be able to completely see below. Then on the right hand side you have the timeline. So for each and every month, what are going to be the different posts you're going to post on Instagram, you'll be able to completely maintain it from here. So this is completely about the content bank tab. So next, let's try to go for the notes and bookmarks. So here first you have how to use this particular tab. So next you can see we have the different notes and bookmarks. So you can see the complete names over here and what type it is, like whether it's an article, bookmark. You can completely list down the type, then for which, like what is the topic and for which category it is. So that one you can completely have it. Then the URL, then the created time, everything is completely noted. So also priority wise also you'll be able to completely see it. So if I go to board, so you'll have the board wise view, you'll get it. Also you can have the table wise view, then to read or to watch, then high priority. So what are going to be your high priority notes or bookmarks? You can just try to completely see it. So this is about the complete notes and bookmarks page. So these are the three different tabs what we actually have under the planning on Instagram planner template.